Welcome to Health and Fitness Guide, the complete solution for everything related to health and fitness. Today's video is ideal for beginners who want to begin a full body workout at home with only dumbbells. If you have not subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. From warm-ups to cool-downs, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started, so grab your dumbbells and let's get started. Warm up. First and foremost, it is critical to warm up before beginning any workout. This will help to prevent injury and prepare your muscles for work. We recommend beginning with 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio, such as jogging in place or jumping jacks. After that, you can do some dynamic stretches to warm up your muscles. To get your body moving, try arm circles, leg swings, and lunges. Workout. Now that you've warmed up, it's time to start working out. This full body workout includes 7 exercises that will be performed in 2 sets of 12 reps each. Exercise 1. Squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your dumbbell at chest height. Squat as low as you can while maintaining a straight back, then stand back up. Squats target the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and core. This exercise focuses on your legs and helps you build lower body strength. Exercise 2. Lunges. Hold your dumbbells at your sides and take 1 step forward, bending both knees until your back knee almost touches the ground. Return to your feet and repeat with the other leg. Lunges work the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves primarily. This exercise works your legs while also improving your balance and stability. Exercise 3. Chest press. Lie on your back, knees bent, and feet flat on the floor. Hold your dumbbells at chest level and raise them to the ceiling, then lower them to your chest. This exercise primarily targets the chest, triceps, and shoulders. This exercise strengthens your chest and arms while targeting your upper body. Exercise 4. Bent over rows. Hold your dumbbells by your sides and stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Bend at the waist and lift the dumbbells to your chest, keeping your back straight. Bent over rows primarily target the back, biceps, and shoulders. This exercise strengthens your upper back while improving your posture and upper body strength. Exercise 5. Shoulder press. Hold your dumbbells at shoulder height and stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Push them up to the ceiling, then lower them to your shoulders. This exercise primarily works the shoulder muscles. This exercise strengthens and stabilizes your upper body by focusing on your shoulders. Exercise 6. Tricep kickbacks. Tricep kickbacks are an exercise that works the triceps. Hold your dumbbells by your sides and stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Bend your elbows until your forearms are parallel to the ground, then back up to work your triceps. This exercise focuses on the back of your upper arms and helps to build triceps strength and definition. Exercise 7. Bicep curls. Hold your dumbbells by your sides, palms facing forward, with your feet shoulder width apart. Curl the dumbbells up towards your shoulders while keeping your elbows close to your body. Lower them slowly back to the starting position and repeat. This exercises primarily target the bicep muscles. This exercise works your biceps and helps you build arm strength and definition. Cool down. Once you've completed both sets of the workout, it's critical to cool down to allow your body to recover. Start with some light walking or jogging in place before moving on to some static stretches to help your muscles relax. Congratulations on completing your full body workout with only dumbbells. Always warm up before exercising and cool down afterwards to allow your body to recover. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness information.